Hey folks, Mark Crowther here with another software testing update. So, interesting thing today is I'm in our other office actually, NMQA's Testing Centre of Excellence, get the right name for it. Everyone's gone home now, except for Dr. Jones who's in the corner there. Spinning around. There's Dr. Jones working happily away, as he always does. Position that. Interesting thing for the day. Well, somebody asked what testing was. That was Jonesy actually, but he doesn't know what testing is. The real question was what you can see behind me there, query of the day. So one of my other colleagues was talking about development approaches, and you can see there bottoms up, tops down. I think it's supposed to be bottom and top, but that's his humorous little take on it. We had a discussion around drivers and stubs, and got ourselves into a nice logical argument about was that the correct names and why were we using those names and so on. And what you're seeing on the board at the back there is that in fact we've decided that drivers and stubs don't really work for us. We've decided to call them, as you can see, callers and responders. So the idea that as a tester we don't really know the overall architecture, we don't know, what the upper and lower levels are, we just know the connected to related layers that we're testing. So that could be a UI and database, but then again it could be a database and message broker. We're not really sure. So the idea of the caller responder is to say that irrespective of what it is that's been developed, that's missing, that we need to put this driver or stub for in place, it's a caller responder. So if we just think in terms of caller responder, it will always be contextually correct. And you can see there we're talking about entry points. Again, that's how we think about the drivers. We can talk about stubbing for subcode and so on. So the same ideas are still there. We've essentially just switched the name and had a really robust conversation about why drivers and stubs, why not caller responders, what is actually going on. You can see at the bottom there, user UI code. Again, we're talking about what was actually happening in relation to the driver stub idea. That was today actually. That was the most interesting thing that came up today. We're going to write a paper on this and it will be on the NMQA website. We'll see if we can abstract it off into the blog as well. And that's it for today, a quick one. Bye-bye.